I've got some iPhones. Let's unbox them. We got the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange, iPhone 17 Pro in the silver, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max again in deep blue. And these are the only colors that you get with the Pro series phones. A lot of people are like, where is the black and where is the gold? And I think Apple pulled out last minute. Because when you look at case manufacturers, they all have done their promotional videos with a black and a gray, and those were the rumored colors. But when Apple announced it, they just came out with these three. I don't know if they're gonna come out with a new color in March or something and call it the all new Pro color. But yeah, let's get into these for now. Let's start with the hero color, cosmic orange. Let's see if the pull tabs are good. Oh, wow. That's definitely some orange. Basically, you get this two-tone finish. You get a unibody aluminum and a glass back panel. And the glass back panel changes color in different angles. It's more of a cream, orangish, and then sometimes it looks white in different lighting. I definitely like the orange on the unibody itself. Yeah, for some reason, I like this camera bump. I don't know what's wrong with me, but ooh. These corners are so curved and nice to hold. The weight of the phone is pretty okay. I know a lot of reviewers are saying that this is lighter than before. It is not. It is technically few grams heavier and also a few millimeters thicker. Apple is also claiming that this phone has some anti-reflective coating on it. Let me get my S25 Ultra. Let's see how that anti-reflective looks compared to the Apple one. It's not bad, but S25 Ultra's anti-reflectiveness is on a different level. I'll still give this anti-reflectiveness a 7 out of 10. So on this side of the phone, you get the action button and the volume button. I purchased this in Australia, so I still have the SIM ejector. And the other side, you get the camera control button and the turn on and off button. But there's more. That's it. A USB-C to C cable and a SIM ejector. We don't even get stickers anymore. Now let's get on to the white. And I think I will personally like this color the most. It's giving silver MacBook Pro, and also I'm Persian. So, you know, white BMW, white Mercedes-Benz. You know the stereotype, you like white. Nice. Yup, I like the white. I like the white. Whew. This, I still don't know how I feel about this two-tone back thing, but the more I look at that orange, the more I hate it. Especially from this angle right now, that middle part is cream. It's not even orange. But with this one, I can get away with it. This, I would say this is a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of 10 in my opinion. I just like how classy it looks. This looks amazing. Weight-wise, the Pro, it's definitely lighter and the battery is smaller. So you get a 6.3-inch display on the Pro and 6.9-inch display on the Pro Max. Yeah, I definitely like this silver way more. And on to the last color. Okay, this one doesn't want to open. What's going on? Okay, there we go. Ooh. I think I like this more than the orange. Definitely not more than the white. The white is my favorite. This is my second favorite color. And yes, Apple did butcher the hell out of the orange because this is a really nice blue. But I've seen some photos already of people that have scratched the hell out of the blue and you get silver on the side. So be really careful if you're getting the dark color. As usual, it's silver underneath it. They're just painting on top of this. But this blue looks really, really nice from this angle. Yeah, it's just the orange. That's the only one that has that issue that I'm talking about. Let me show you guys what I mean by this. So I'm gonna put these phones in the same angle and I'm gonna take a video and show you guys what I mean by this weird coloring that I'm seeing right now. Let me show you what I'm looking at right now. Do you see that? That is so weird. That creamish, weird, orangish color. I don't like that. Not at all. Not even a bit. But the white, it's okay, looks normal. And the blue, it's okay, it looks normal. And then you got this again. Why is it so different? Why is it so weird? I don't know. I personally don't like the orange at all. And I'm pretty sure the orange is the one that's sold out. If you're gonna get one, definitely one of these two are the better two colors in my opinion. This white is a beautiful phone. And yeah, that wraps up the unboxing and the first look at the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure you subscribe because I will be doing an unboxing on all the colors of the 17 and the Air, plus camera comparisons. I will do a full dedicated review on these phones and those phones, battery tests. It's gonna be a tough time editing and having a 9 to 5 job. And that brings me to please subscribe as I would like to quit my 9 to 5. And until the next video, ciao.